Hi guys, so I'm just in my bathroom because this is going to be a completely different kind of video. It's going to be about doing my hair. So at the moment it's really greasy, but I've left it this way for a reason, because I'm going to be taking out this little blonde taping extension that I've had in my hair now for a while. Yeah, it's ready to come out. It's grown out quite a lot now. So yeah, but I'm going to show you how I take that out, and then I'm going to bleach my hair at the front here to try and get it white. So if you want to see how I took out a taping extension and get my hair from black to white, keep watching. Okay, so I have to apologise about the lighting over here. My window's there, but I've got no other way of setting up the camera so that you can actually see me remove my taping extension. It's just literally this one taping extension I've had in for about, I want to say 3 weeks, but it could even be more than that. And it has grown out quite a lot, as you can see. It did start quite near the root. So yeah, I'm just going to take it out because I'm fed up of it now. And I'm going to show you how to do that now. First thing you want to do is get the remover, and it's in a little bottle like this. I've got mine from the Studio 58, which is where I learnt how to do my extensions. And then you just want a comb as well, just any old comb will do. I'm just going to section my hair. There was no point in me even bother washing my hair because this is like an oily based product. And then all you're going to do is literally saturate that area where that is, and underneath as well. So I'm just going to go underneath first. And just rub it in. And now onto the top bit. And just rub it in. And just use your index finger and your thumb to just rub it in between like that. And if you need any more, just put more in, because the more the better. You don't want to have it pulling at your natural hair. Okay, and eventually you should feel it starting to peel away from one another. And you want it so it just literally just slides out. So I'm going to put a bit more in on the top bit. It's got quite a strong smell. I want to say it's like a nail varnish remover. I could be wrong. Just can't really think of what other smell it would be like, but it's quite strong. So I can actually feel that peeling away now. So what I'm actually going to do is see if I can peel it. So you can just see there. See it peeling away. And you shouldn't have any kind of pulling at your natural hair. I'm just literally slipping it away. It's not even pulling at my hair at all. And you can see the natural hair has come out, but this is from natural shedding, so don't worry about that because that's completely normal. And my hair lately has been falling out quite a lot, but that's just because of the season. So if you find that your hair is falling out now more than ever, it's because of the season. And it's the same with, like, if you've got lashes. Like, obviously I've got my lashes done, but you can't even tell because I've only got a few left, which I will be removing. So I'll make another video on that for you, on how to remove lashes from home. So yeah, you just want to go back in anyway, where that taping extension was, and just comb through. My hair has been so itchy as well. I literally couldn't wait to get this out because I just really needed to itch where it was. Okay, So once that's done, you literally just want to wash it through thoroughly. And that's pretty much how you remove a tape-in hair extension.